Hi, I wanted to make a little video. Two things. For the planned pack travel, one of the things you have to do is sell your house. And here in Cincinnati, it was brought to my attention that my driveway needed serious work, and so did the side of the house where I have my garages. So I looked on Craigslist and I found a young college student who was advertising that they did pressure washing. And I am impressed. He came prepared. He had decent equipment. He had cleaning solutions. He's a hard worker. So I decided to shoot a time lapse video and a little bit of a endorsement of the services he provided. So here it is.